Hi, I'm Liz.
I'm Chris.
And we are
Carnival Cruise Addicts.
You go too fast.
Carnival Cruise Addicts.
Okay, that was better.
Okay. So, we all go on cruises, and a lot of times you have an event you're going on the cruise for. Like every year, we go on our anniversary cruise, which was our honeymoon cruise, but every year we try, if things permitting, to get on that particular date. And a lot of things people don't know is she has surprised me multiple times when we go out to dinner, we're at the casino, walking the decks, whatever we do, we come back and bam, rooms full of just little, as John Heald says, dangly bits. Not those dangly bits, but a whole bunch of different dangly things.
Like banners,
yeah,
and flowers and cookies and cakes and all sorts of fun stuff that you can order through the Carnival Fun Shops prior to the cruise.
Yeah.
So if you have a special moment you're celebrating,
graduations, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays.
Yeah, you can go online and order and have it delivered on a certain date.
Not delivered, set up.
Set up.
Yeah, it's not like they drop a box at your door and say, you do it. The crew comes in, they set it all up for you.
They hang the decorations. And it's quite
flowers,
fun.
like she sent me flowers. I sent her flowers.
Champagne.
Multiple times. Bottle of champagne. You want to celebrate that special occasion. You have a nice chilled bottle of champagne waiting for you. But there's a lot of things they can do for you beforehand. It's really cool.
Yeah, so if you're interested and you're going on a Carnival cruise, check out the fun shops.
Yep.
See what's available. You can market a gift. If you know somebody who's going on a Carnival cruise, you
can get their room too.
You can put it in their room without them knowing. Yeah. I've surprised my brother with, and he surprised me with cakes for my birthday.
Oh, cheese plate. They did a cheese plate. Oh my God, so worth it.
Yes, the cheese plates are great.
I hope you're not lactose intolerant, because that thing's freaking huge. We got them a cheese plate. They couldn't eat it. I ate half of the damn thing.
Like all sorts of things.
Yeah, cakes. So. I think we said cakes.
We said cakes multiple times.
Cake.
He likes cake.
Cake.
Hey, let them eat cake, all right?
I like cake.
Okay, don't eat cake.
I don't eat cake. But yeah, no, it's...
chocolate-covered strawberries.
Oh, there you go. Not cake.
Not cake. Anyway, so check out the Carnival Fun Shops. See what's out there. Yeah. And even if you don't do it ahead of time, if you change your mind, you want to do something, you can go to, usually it's Carnival...
cherry on top. Yeah, cherry on top. But you got to do it early. Because, obviously they need time to plan it, find it, this, that, and the other.
Yeah. But check it out.
Yeah, really, really, really cool thing that not many people know about. It's not like the door decorations everybody does, which we do, especially during Christmas. But yeah, it's a really cool thing. Check it out and do it.
All right. Thanks.